Hey guys, I want to show you the installation on our small car. So it's really easy to put this into the big SUV, but there's a lot of times I'm traveling and I want to take my dog with me in the smaller car. So I always put it in closed. You can see that. And then I go ahead and set it up like that and put it where it needs to be. And then I just go in here and push the bars. Nice and firm. Let them do a little snap. The one in the back. So much easier to install this in a small car when it's broken down. So don't forget you've got that front piece right here, and that's going to go around the front of the car, or the front car seat, the passenger side. And then here's your base that's washable. Put that in it. Zip it, and then you just move that seat back a little bit to snug that up. I go ahead and put this over that seat, move it back, just pull that, snug it up, and look at that. Car seat fits like a charm. I'm telling you, this is a fantastic product. If you have a dog or a cat and you're gonna go on a long car ride, this is great. Keeps them safe, keeps you safe. Couldn't ask for a better car carrier.